Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys about a little bit about Bitcoin, a little bit about the psychology of the market, because it's getting a lot of people wrecked right now. Because, on this channel for the last 15 days or so, I've been saying, hey, limit your altcoin exposure. I'm looking at these charts. I'm waiting for double bottoms. Yeah, I'm still bullish on a bunch of coins that I like. When I say I'm bullish, maybe those are the wrong words, but what that means is I kind of believe in the long-term potential of the coins. But me personally, I'm not going to sit in a coin and hold it while it goes down. Y'all can do whatever y'all want to. This is not financial advice. This is just my way of thinking about it. I've done that once before, and it's not fun. And me, when something's not fun, I don't like to do that shit no more. I like to have fun, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So that sound means go ahead and download the Brave browser. You get free crypto for watching those ads on the Brave browser. It's pretty dope. And right now, looking at this chart, you see it's going crazy right now. People are just buying up Bitcoin. You see the activity in other parts of the world. Normally when I show this chart, if you see me show this chart before, as a matter of fact, if you're new to the channel, shout out to the new subs. I know there's a lot of new people that is coming on and messing with your boy. So what's up with y'all? Shout out to the new subs. But I like to show this chart a lot because it gives you an idea of who's buying the Bitcoin. And right now you see the US and Europe is going crazy. Asia is doing a little bit. Earlier, South Africa was going crazy. I was like, what's going on in South Africa? They had like a buying spree, and something happened over there. That's kind of, it was weird. When the price of Bitcoin started pumping, I was seeing a lot of action over here from the fiat leak showing South Africa. This data comes from on-chain data, I believe. I don't even know where this data comes from, so don't quote me on that. But as you guys know, like I always say, limit your altcoin exposure. You don't have to be a trader, but sometimes when Bitcoin wants to pump and when Bitcoin dominance wants to do its thing, it's not gonna let me reload this chart. I should just pay for an account real quick. Bitcoin dominance pumped, and you can see it pumped again, which totally wrecked these altcoins today, and it kind of sucked. Everybody's like, oh man, another leg down. A lot of everybody's favorite coins are down like 99% from that hype. And I just discovered a new chart today that nobody ever told me about, so I'm mad at y'all for not telling me about this chart. But there's actually a chart that is the index for DeFi, and I'm like, what? And then there's also another chart. If you come on TradingView and you type in DeFi, you got a couple let me go to all. You got a bunch of different DeFi charts on here. I don't really trade on FTX, that's probably why I don't know that there's a DeFi bull, but you can short DeFi altogether on there up to 3x on FTX exchange. So if you're on FTX, you can do that. But right here, yeah, so the DeFi index, and looking at this chart, it looks like so far a falling wedge pattern, maybe, hopefully. Because then if this thing breaks out, which I think it's going to, because wait, what the hell, I picked that, my bad. If this thing breaks out to the upside, which, like I always say, like from what I've observed, is like money goes into Bitcoin and then all of a sudden everybody starts buying altcoins. I don't know if that's just something that happens or what, but that just keeps happening over and over. So I'm just gonna go with that strategy again, and I'm gonna say, look, if this thing is a falling wedge right here, if it breaks out to the upside, it's gonna be a nice big bounce for DeFi again. So there's a couple coins that I'm looking at. As you guys know, I like akro. This one looks like the first one to be waking up on the daily chart, because looking right here, this exchange is Bicky. I don't know what Bicky exchange is, but the reason why I'm looking at this chart, because supposedly it had the most volume today in akro, around $2 million right here on Bicky. So, and there's a good trust score, so I guess that means it has good liquidity. It's not faking it, it's not wash trading and stuff. So The price is down 6%, but the thing I like about this chart right here is they're starting to be this trend line. It's basically it's getting above the 13 trend line on the daily. It's been testing it a little bit and it's trying to get back above it, but it's also trying to get above this 34 trend line. So that's kind of the only thing that I'm just keeping my fingers crossed for akro. As you guys know, I'm still big on this project. You know, just because I don't talk about a project in a while doesn't mean I'm not big on it anymore. It just means, like, you know, like I said, I might have sold my bag and just waited to get more. That's why I don't understand why people just like to sit in stale coins and stuff like that. So the next coin that I want to talk about, of course, is Ocean Protocol. Ocean Protocol. So if y'all like Ocean, then type in the comment box Ocean Protocol. You know, spell it just like that too. Spell it protocol. Let me see if you guys know how to spell that. But Ocean Protocol on the daily. This is a Binance chart. I don't even know why I'm looking at this chart. Because there's not a lot of data on here. But just from this chart, you can see it's kind of looking just like akro, in the fact that this 13 is curving down, and it leveled out for a few days, and then hopefully it's gonna start curving back up. As a matter of fact, let me put on the Bollinger Bands. I should have just did this live, huh? Next time I'll do this live. This is more like a live video type video, because forget all the drama. So you can see the price has been squeezed right here. Nice price squeeze. This is the bottom right here. This blue line I got marked as what I'm calling the bottom right here, and you could see this thing is holding up. So hopefully it doesn't come and test the bottom of this Bollinger Band and it keeps going up. The moving at, oh man, excuse me, had the hiccups. What the hell? But yeah, hopefully this Bollinger Band, it doesn't come down and test the bottom of this Bollinger Band again, and it just keeps going up above these 2 moving averages or 3 moving averages that it needs to get above right here. So when the more the coins get squeezed, the higher they dip or pump. So I'm looking for that. You know, right now altcoins don't have a lot of volume. People who are in altcoins are kind of just sitting around, if not. You know, so I like to just move my money around a little bit more. So there's nothing wrong with just hodling long term, but then if that's the case, like, don't be tripping every day. You know what I mean? Don't be tripping every day. If the price dips 50%, 90%, don't be tripping. You're long term. Long term we good. Long term we're all good. The market cap is still under 400 million. Long term we all good. This is not financial advice though, just in case we ruin our lives. EWT, this thing has been on a downtrend, and I was hoping that I can pick some up, and I'm waiting to see when it's gonna start coming back up to an uptrend. On an uptrend, like, give me an uptrend, EWT. I'm waiting to buy some. So, like, I don't have a problem waiting. You know what I mean? Let them develop some things. If the price pumps and, oh hey, I missed 20%, if I believe in this thing, 20% ain't gonna be nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's time to change your mindset so you can make some more money in crypto. That's why you should subscribe to the channel. All these other moon boys and stuff like that, they're losing you money. Subscribe to the channel. But yeah, we got EWT right here on a little downtrend in this channel. I believe it's in a channel. Yeah, looks like a channel. You know how to do that before I zoom in on Kucoin. Looks like a channel right here, and it bounced off the bottom. So just get out of this channel. Hopefully it gets out of this channel pretty soon, and I can buy around. We'll see what happens. I can buy around when it breaks out here. Hopefully it breaks out here, which would be around what, 50,000 satoshis. So yeah, I'm looking to pick up EWT. As you guys know, I believe in this project. It's definitely at the bottom right now on Kucoin with a lot of other projects, just like Luxo. I know I wasn't going to talk about that, but while I'm here on Kucoin, we might as well look at it. Now see, Luxo I bought a little bit. Where's it at? Let me see. How do you use Kucoin? There we go. Bum, bum, bum. LYX. Luxo symbol. What? Anyways, I bought a little bit of Luxo kind of up here at 75 cents, and it's been down. It's down 50 cents ever since then, so it hasn't really gone. This is my stop loss right here. I'm hoping that it doesn't go below this level, like 50 or 49 cents. So looking at Luxo, it's like I'm still in. I still believe in this project. I'm still collecting this project. Oh yeah, it was right here. Boom. Still collecting this project and stuff like that. You know, I'm thinking that this is a good time to buy Luxo. Like I said, none of this is financial advice, but all eyes are on Bitcoin right now. Gotta look the other way. So you know what? I'm just rambling in this video. Y'all know what's up. Don't be falling in love with your coins. Everybody's looking at Bitcoin. All coins are dipping. That's when it's time to look for them. Like and subscribe to the channel. I can't talk today. Like, subscribe to the channel. Like the video, helps me out for sure with the algorithm. Hit me up on the email, everything currency crypto, if you want to get into the Telegram group. Till next time, peace.